Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dext with QuickBooks. Dext Prepare is a powerful tool designed to simplify your expense management by digitizing receipts and invoices. When integrated with QuickBooks, either online or desktop, it creates a seamless workflow. This connection automates data entry, saving you many hours each month and significantly reducing manual effort. You can easily publish process transactions directly into your QuickBooks account. To begin, log into your Dext Prepare account and locate the Connections section. From there, you will select QuickBooks as your accounting software. The system will then guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts to securely authorize the connection between the two platforms. If you are using QuickBooks Desktop, remember to have your company file open during this setup process to ensure a smooth and successful link. Once your items are processed in Dext, it is crucial to review and categorize them accurately. Take a moment to assign the correct supplier, appropriate category, and the precise tax rate to each item. After this review, simply use the Publish button to send your selected items directly to QuickBooks. These transactions will then appear in your QuickBooks account as either bills, expenses, or invoices, depending on their nature. The Dext and QuickBooks integration offers substantial benefits, including reducing manual data entry by up to 90%. This dramatically improves accuracy and minimizes errors in your financial records. For optimal results, regularly reconcile your Dext and QuickBooks data to ensure consistent data integrity across both platforms. Also, make sure to utilize Dext's powerful bank matching feature for even more efficient and streamlined reconciliation processes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.